What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making smothered turkey wings. This has been one of my favorite recipes since I was young. So easy, loaded with so much flavor. So first I have 3 to 4 pounds of turkey wings here. These are split wings. Be sure to check out my baked turkey wings video. That'll give you more tips on how to shop for turkey wings. Then I'm gonna drizzle these in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You're gonna need enough to fully coat each wing. And then I have some seasoning here. I'll provide 2 different ways you can season up these wings in the description box below. So be sure to check that out for full details and measurements. And do the same thing on both sides of those wings. You want to use enough spices to fully coat the wings. So I'll give you some measurements, but if you notice some open areas on those wings, go ahead and add in a little more. And you want to rub those spices into the wings so that they actually sink in and get into the flavor of the meat. And then I have a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and I'm adding 1/2 cup of sliced onions to the bottom. I'm just gonna place my turkey wings on top. Then I'm gonna bake these for an hour and a half covered in foil. And then after an hour and a half, I remove those wings and set them aside. Then I'm gonna make my gravy. And I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna let both of those melt down, and then I'm adding in 1/2 cup of sliced onions. These are white onions that I'm using here. You can use whatever you like. Then I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of flour. I like to add it in stages. That'll make sure that it doesn't clump up on me. So add in that flour and give everything a nice good stir. This is going to thicken up our gravy. Then I have 1.5 cups of broth here. I'm using chicken broth. You can use whatever you like. And then 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then we take those turkey drippings that were in the pan, and those get added to that gravy for so much flavor. And then I have a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream here. Again, so much flavor. That cream is optional, but it'll get our gravy nice and creamy and add such a delicious flavor. So then go ahead and pour that gravy over those wings. Look at that drizzle. And these go back in the oven on 350 degrees for 30 minutes uncovered. And there you have it, smothered turkey wings. I love to serve these with white rice.